take you on a short video, basically just show you Red in action creating this piece. This is a piece, obviously you see the corrosion on it, you see the rust work. So what you do is you cut it out. Once you see it off the car, you can notice all of the corrosion, you know, from rust. You know, the car is, you know, made in '66, just rust over time that build up. So now you have a couple options with parts like this. We choose to make ours from scratch. Number one, you get to choose the thickness of the metal. Reproductions, they're gonna try to be cost effective. They're not necessarily gonna use the thickest metal for cost concerns when you're doing production work. But when you're doing individual pieces, you know, of course, you can make it to your liking. So we got Red with some thicker metal, and then he basically took this as an impression and then recreated the piece from new metal.
You know, reshape the bottom, have the same shape like the original one. When it's done, it's gonna be like the same exact piece like this one. But this one actually comes with two different pieces. We're gonna make it like just in one piece. When you cut this area right there, it's gonna be weak area, just when you bend it's gonna go with you. If it's like so big gap, then you can add like some, you know, sheet of metal and you fill it up. But I can, you know, fill this up with, you know, just by welding. I'm gonna go ahead and, you know, fill all this. I mean, I'm gonna weld the whole thing, continue weld both sides and fill these gaps. We fill all these, you know, gaps between, so everything is done. Continue welding both sides, and that's it. All I need to do now is just grind it. That's it. It's all smooth, everything is done. So yeah, that's inside. It's already done. Everything is smooth. Grind the whole piece. So now it's ready to go. That's the final step. Let me show you where it goes. See how it works, even by putting it, you know, on the top of the old piece. And this, you know, I mean, everything looks good. Just we have to take this off, put the new one, and that's it. It fits perfect, you know. I mean, everything is the same. If you look at the other side, doesn't have like this nice shape, you know. They do it like, you know, quick job. Doesn't have like a little lip right here, and you know, it's like a, you know, like curved. When you take this off, you know, this piece off, then it's gonna fit like perfect, you know. All you need to do is just weld it, and that's it. Handmade. Just you need welder, grinder, just right measurement, you know, just simple tools, and that's it.
So now you can see after Red, you know, did his process of manufacturing the piece. We also protect it with the weld-through primer as well. You can see it has the same exact contour as the old piece. Even down to the factory piece from Cadillac you see it has a lip on it, you know, even down to the lip. You know, we added the lip as well. So if you see here, the factory piece had a second hole. What it was, Cadillac used the same braces for different vehicles, and some vehicles had support bushings in different locations. The convertible had different body mount bushings than where the four-door Cadillac bushing did, but they had a very similar frame. So they were used on more than one car. Obviously on our piece, we eliminated it because that's an opening for water to get in, which could cause corrosion. So once we weld this up, it'll be sealed. Just another step of protection for long-term use, and something that we did as a more custom fit. After you can see over time, the way Cadillac designed it, maybe this was a flaw. So we can correct that flaw by doing it the way that Red did it. So, you know, this is the old piece and this is the new piece. This is actually you see two pieces because the car has two, one on each side. So it's a mirror image. This is for the passenger side and the other piece is already made for the driver's side. So we don't play, man.